Hey guys, it's just Jada here with my first voiceover, so that's so fun. I'm literally under my covers, just trying to block out the sound. I don't know if that works. I'm new to this YouTuber stuff. Anyway, so today we're gonna be making some custom stamps. I actually bought this little kit at Hobby Lobby. I would say it's a pretty good starter kit. It's got everything that you need for just like to start off, except for ink. They do have a bigger set that comes with ink, but it was out of stock when I went there. So to start off, I just cut off a piece of scrap paper the size I wanted my stamp to be, and I just sketched out what I wanted the stamp to look like. I just used a mechanical pencil. I do want it to be darker, like you do want to use a pencil that leaves quite a bit of graphite on the paper, so then it's easier to transfer onto the lino rubber stuff that the stamp is made out of. And when you transfer it, you just flip it over, and I just used a little ruler and rubbed it onto the rubber, and there it was. And then after that, I took a multiliner, like a fine liner, and a Sharpie, and I just outlined and colored in the design. So for this one, I colored in the design, like the parts of the design that I didn't want to cut out, and I left the stuff that I did want to cut out in pink, except for the border. I knew I wanted that to stay. I just wanted like a little outline, and I just didn't want to cut it out because I already knew. So a tip that I have: after you color in everything, what I did is I just used my finger. I waited a little bit for it to dry mostly, and I just rubbed a little bit over the design, and that's just to help you see like where you're cutting out, so then the pink isn't just like the same color as all of the pink. Like the top part is a little gray, so you get a little bit of difference. You can see that later in the second stamp that I carve in this video. And so then you're just gonna carve it out. When you have to realize that if you want like thin black lines, that's going to be harder because you have to cut out around the small black lines. But if you do like a block and you have a bunch of thin white lines, that'll be a lot easier because you're just carving out the lines, if that makes sense. I don't know if that does, but yeah, so that's pretty much my process. You can just enjoy the music, and I will be back at the end of the video. Hey guys, I'm back, and now you've got a cute little stamp. So for this, I just bought an ink pad at a craft store. I think I got it at Michael's. You could probably find it like anywhere. I'm only using them to stamp like envelopes for commissions and stuff like that. And so I don't really need it. I don't need to make it for like prints and stuff. So that's why I just bought this, and it works pretty well. So and I hope you guys enjoyed watching my process of me making linocut stamps. You can find me on social media. All of the links are in the description below. Feel free to follow me, chat with me, you know, stuff like that. It's pretty sick. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to see more videos. I'm just getting started with this whole YouTube thing. Hope you guys like my videos. I have a lot of fun making them. I've said that in a video before. But please subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.